This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
Hi guys, Arifur is here and welcome to HTML Basic for Beginners. In this lecture, I will discuss with you about HTML link tag. The A tag defines a hyperlink, which is used to link from one page to another. The most important attribute of the A element is the A-step attribute, which indicates the link destination. By default, links will be appear as following in all browsers. An unvisited link is underlined and blue. A visited link is underlined and purple. An active link is underlined and red. Here you can see coding mode. You can also see the browsing view. This is a simple HTML link tag. In here, the red highlighted area is the HTML link tag. This is the A-step attribute. You have to input the web link on here. You have to input the display text on here. In the next lecture, I will show you how to practice HTML link tag. See you guys in the next lecture.